County, folks living along the Intracoastal waterway, they're also dealing with sudden flooding today. Neighbors say this time, though, it's the worst they've seen in years. The now's Alana Quillen live for us in Delray Beach, where homes are taking on water today. Alana?
Well, Shannon, this is one of the hardest hit streets here near Atlantic Avenue. During the king tide this week, the water actually seeped all the way from the Intracoastal here behind me, several yards away to several homes over here. This poor woman's house is actually filled with water on her entire first floor. She spent much of the day pumping it out, and I'm being told that this is probably not even the worst of it. The worst is supposed to come later on this weekend. Neighbors on Marine Way have had enough.
We've had flooding issues throughout the years, but they seem to be getting worse.
This week's king tide has filled the streets and their homes with water.
It's annoying, but it's part of what you do when you live at the beach,
Years of high tides have even made the house in front of Ed Fitzgerald unlivable.
And it destroyed the floors and got mold in the walls and stuff like that.
The salt water kills his grass every time.
And so they put in new sod just like 6 months ago, and now it's all soaked again. It'll probably all die.
His next door neighbor's first floor is flooded. She showed us this video of a coconut floating between their homes.
Thank God it only happens a couple times a year. I mean, I don't know what the fix is.
That fix is a new seawall. The city told me designs have been approved and more permitting is needed before construction can begin.
We need it now.
Eugenia DePonte can't wait. She reinforced her home by raising it up 5 inches, anything to keep the water out.
I can't build a seawall. I cannot build a seawall, and the city really needs to help this street. It's been totally neglected for 30-some years.
Now, even though the full moon is tonight, that king tide is expected to peak on Sunday morning since it does lag behind a couple of days behind the moon. Now, several streets along the Intracoastal are expected to be filled with water, so smaller cars will need to use caution while driving around this weekend. Reporting live in Delray Beach, I'm Alana Quillen for the Now South Florida.